You are going to love the 2016 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.